Hello everyone, let's look at the different ways to find the IP address of your computer on Windows 11. This is typically useful when troubleshooting network issues, setting up a network sharing server, or connecting to another device on the same network. The good news is that Windows 11 makes it easy to find both your local and your public IP address, which is usually assigned to you by your internet service provider. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, first, let's find the IP address using command prompt. And to do that, just open Start and look for the terminal, all command prompt. And you don't need to run this as an administrator. You just need to open the terminal. And in here, we're just going to type the IP config command and just press enter. And here you're going to notice the IPv4 address, which is usually the address that you want to use on a local network. However, you can also find the IPv6. That's what you're looking for. Just for additional information, the default gateway, which is this one right here and this one right here, this is the IP address of your router. Now, let's do the same thing, but with PowerShell. And to do that, just open the terminal or PowerShell directly. Just going to open the terminal, but I'm going to open a PowerShell console. And then we're going to run this command, the get net IP configuration with the detail option, and press enter. Okay, we only have one interface, so as you can see, the IP address is right here, and you can also find the IPv6 address right here. In my opinion, using command prompt and PowerShell are the easiest ways to find the IP address. However, you can also use the Settings app, and to do that, just open the Settings app. Then let's go to Network and Internet. Then from here, there are two different ways that we can check the IP address. First is to just open the interface page, and from here we're going to scroll down and you will find your IPv4 address right here and your IPv6 address, actually this one right here. That's the link local IPv6 address. Now, another way that we can do this is by going to Advanced Network Settings, and then from Hardware and Connection Properties, we're going to have a list of all the configuration for all the adapters installed on your computer. And the IPv4 will be available right here. And the IPv6 address right here. Just note that on this page, we will also get the network mask, but this is the actual IP address. In this case, 10.1.4.133. Now, if you want to find your external or public IP address configuration, this is different from the local IP address configuration. The local address is a configuration assigned by the router or the DHCP server to enable the computer to connect to other devices in the local network. On the other hand, the external address is assigned by your internet service provider, and that is assigned to the actual router to provide internet connectivity to your local network. Now, to find your external IP address, you will need to use an external tool. We can do this in at least two ways. First, you can go to ipconfig.me, and from there, you will be able to see your IP address listed right here. However, I have also created a tool in my website that also allows you to see your public IP address. If you have assigned an IPv6 address, it will also appear right here. And to locate this page, just go to this link, and you can also find it under Tools, What is my IP page. Now, it is also possible to find your external IP address using command prompt. And to do that, we can just open the terminal. And then we can use the NS lookup tool to find your IP address. And under address, that's where you will find your external IP address. Finally, it is also possible to find your public IP address using PowerShell. And to do that, just open the terminal one more time. In this case, I'm just going to open a PowerShell console, and then I'm going to run this command that will actually use the ipconfig.me website in order to get that information. Here, we're just going to use Y and then press enter. And then the command will output your public IP address. And that's it. Those are pretty much all the different ways that you can use to find your local and external IP address on Windows 11. Let me know what method do you use to find your IP address. And remember to like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.